Okay, so moving on to number 2. To convince ourselves that these two triangles are congruent, what else would we need to know? Well, we would need to know that I could set up here, all pairs of corresponding sides and angles are congruent. So to be specific, we would have to know that BC is congruent to, let's see, ABC, ST. So we would have to know that BC is congruent to ST. We would have to know that BC is congruent to ST, line segment. BC is congruent to line segment ST. Okay, notice how I was being careful there to keep them in order, because they go in the same order. S is congruent to B. So we're going from A to B to C, and over here we're going from R to S to T. So the last one would be this TR to B to C, and AC. Well, let's say CA. We're going in the same order. So TR would have to be congruent to CA. It would have to be congruent to CA. Okay, so are they? Number 3. Use tracing paper to find a sequence of transformations that will show whether or not these two triangles are congruent. Okay, I don't want to waste tracing paper, so try to make it like, in the corner rather than right in the middle, because you do have all these other ones you're going to be doing. Okay, so I'm going to say, first I'm going to slide it, then I'm going to rotate it, and it doesn't work. So I'm going to go back here. First I'm going to flip it. I'm going to flip it on this side, AB, because that's the one we know is the same. Okay, and then I'm going to rotate it. Okay, and those corresponding things landed N. So it definitely looks like it landed exactly on that one. So yes, the answer is yes. Our transformation was reflect on side AB, and then I could easily say slide to the right. We don't know how far because we don't have a grid, and then rotate about 90 degrees. Oh, I didn't have that exactly. So yes, there is a sequence of transformations. List your sequence of transformations here. It says on number 4. So I'm going to say 3, yes, 4. Reflect on AB, rotate. That's enough. Since I don't have a grid, I can't tell you what point I'm rotating on, but I know there is a point. Once I flip it here. Okay, a lot of people did this yesterday, so you just sort of guess and check and figure, oh, that's not it. It's not it. It's going to be somewhere around there, right? Okay. Perfect. You could also have said reflect and then slide and rotate.